Hey there everyone, it's me Lauren with Bold Notion Quilting, and I want to show you how to do a design in my spider block on either the Web Weaver quilt pattern or the Queen Has Arrived quilt pattern on boldnotionquilting.com. It's a fun little pattern. Thank you for watching this video. Again, I'm Lauren with Bold Notion Quilting. There's more to see on boldnotionquilting.com with all of our live wonderful classes. Be sure to like, comment, or share this video so that YouTube will show you more of the content that matters to you when it comes out. Take care and happy quilting, y'all. Bye!